What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? Don't mind the shirt. You know, I just wear anything outside. I wear anything, man. I wear anything. But look, I want to show y'all how to properly use cocoa butter. I see a lot of people when it comes down to any butters or oils, like coconut oil, shea, anything that hardens, right? If it gets to a hardened substance, a hardened form, I see a lot of people tend to boil their butters, oils, and soaps to melt it, right? Pretty much how to melt it, okay? So I'm basically teaching you how to melt it, right? The right way. Well, I mean, that way is cool, but it's like, I feel like the way I'm finna show you will help retain and keep all the nutrients and the moisture and everything from the cocoa butter. And you know, this can work with any other butters that you use. It's gonna help. I prefer not to boil it. When you boil it, yes, you do get the form of, it turns into an oil. It melts completely. True enough, right? True enough. It melts, right? Oh yeah, y'all see the hair been growing? Look at that. That's what sea moss and shea does. Look at it. Look at that glow. You see that glow? Look at that. That junk glowing, man. Day 6 of sea moss, by the way. You feel me? So yeah, we're gonna jump into it. So I'm gonna grab a knife real quick so I can cut some of this out. I guess I can show you. I'm gonna show you the inside when I bring the knife, and I'm gonna show you how to properly use cocoa butter. Be right back. All right, we are back. So let me find a place I can sit this down, and let's open it up. All right, so what I just did was I basically went in the house, grabbed a butter knife, and just cut me some pieces. You know, I mean, if you know how to do that, you know how to do it. So basically what I did was I took a knife. What are you? I took a knife, cut down into it, and just grabbed me some chunks of it, right? So okay, so first, this is beautiful. Hold on. You smell it? I love cocoa butter. I love it. It just smells so good. It smells like chocolate. It makes you feel like you want to eat it. Do you want to eat this? Nah, don't eat it. Please don't. But look, so cocoa butter, what I would recommend, you see that right there in the sky? You see that? That source of, that right there is life to everything. That brings life to this right here. Hold on, let me clean you off. It brings life here. It brings life here. Me. It brings life, the trees, all the fruits that y'all eat, everything. That one big massive energy. So that's why I recommend using this in the sun over boiling it. So let me show you how we do it right now. All right, so you see these? You see one dropped. You see the pieces? Can't really. Okay, so you grab your pieces, right? Take your pieces. Got pieces in the hand. But since I got the pieces though, I'm gonna just get one piece. Just get one piece. This right here, I swear this will be a lot. So what you wanna do is, you wanna find somewhere in the sun, right? Somewhere in the sun where there's no shade. You know, there's no shade, it's just sun, right? So right here, it'd be perfect. So what you do is, you take your hand and you do this. And what it does is, you see how my hand, well, now it has a little bit of, well, you can't really tell, but it's a little moisture. Watch this. Watch what's about to happen now. So you take it, make sure the sun is showing. Make sure the sun is on it. You see how the sun is beaming on my hand? And you do like this. And guess what? This right here also, it's a workout. So you could do this. It's a workout too. So you're getting a workout. You could kind of feel the burn right here, in your forearms and your hands. It's a workout, you know? So you're gonna do this in the sun until it's fully dissolved and oily. And y'all see what's in my, it's still here, right? You see my hand is already getting oily. See that? See that? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I had an ant in my container, so we're back. We're back. Let's get back to it. So keep doing this. And it might slip out your hand. If it gets to the point to where it's slipping out your hand, what I do is I usually put it down and go ahead and use it. But I'm gonna keep going a little while because I'm used to doing it. All right, so gonna keep on going. It keeps slipping out my hand, so I'm about to take it out in just a minute. Okay. In the sun, make sure we're doing it no shade. All right, so you see how much smaller it gotten? Now we're gonna take your pieces and set it on like a paper towel or something, a plate, and just set it to the side. Now look at my hands. See that? See that? You see how it's oily? What I'm gonna do is, now with that little bit of piece right there, that little piece, I'm using that for my face. So we're gonna go. Get everywhere on your face. Everywhere. Between your eyes, eyelids, lips, everything, behind the ears. You can rub it in your hands. Now look at my face. And I smell like cocoa. So look, now my hands are not as oily anymore. All right, so you take your pieces back and you get back to rubbing. Get back to rubbing. Now this next is gonna be for my hair. After this is fully dissolved, it's gonna be for my hair. I know it takes a lot of work. It's a lot of work, but I mean, it's worth it. I do this every day. Or no. I do this every other day because I mix it up. I either use cocoa butter one day and botana oil the next day. You see how small it's getting? It's almost gone. What was that? If you really want like that thing to be like the process to speed up, what I was doing, I didn't tell you this, but what I was doing, I was rubbing it, you know, giving it friction. But if you really want it to like get like really like oily fast, do it fast. Because the more heat that you create in the sun, look at that, gone. It's gone. It's gone. So now we're doing it for the hair. See that? Look at my skin from this far. Hold on, let me bring you closer. Look at that. Come on, man. I came from having bumps all over my face, acne everywhere, bro. When I say I used to have acne everywhere, bro, everywhere, you feel me? Matter of fact, you feel me? Body getting crazy. It just give you this different type of look, man. So we're gonna take another piece. I didn't use that much for my hair, so I want to use a little bit more. So I'm gonna show you the really fast method. So you see how big it is, right? You see that piece, right? Do you see how big that piece is? Watch this. We finna get to it. Let's go. We're going really fast now. It don't look like it, but I'm going really fast. I'm telling you. Look at it already. I'm telling you, do it real fast now. It's okay if a little bit of dirt get on you. It's nature. Yeah. It's almost that time. So you see how small it's gotten? Look at that. I've been putting in work. So we're gonna set it down since my hand's oily. And we're gonna get in the hair. Now make sure you getting in the scalp. Make sure you getting all the way in. Make sure you getting everything. Even the parts that wasn't. Ants is always trying to ruin the party, bro. I hate that. But look at that. See that? And look, y'all remember, y'all go watch my video. I'm gonna put it at the end of the video, and it's gonna be in the cards. It should be at the top right here in the cards. Listen, and I might even put it in the video. Go watch the video where I cut my hair off. This is growth from February. I cut my hair February 24th, 2023. Yeah, February 24th, 2023, and it is currently July the 12th, I think, July the 12th, and this is growth from that long. Seriously. This is growth. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead. See this little piece? This is gonna be devoured. Watch this. Hands not greasy no more. Let's finish it. Remember, the key to all this is doing it in nature. You feel me? No. All right, so that one had failed, y'all. So that one fell in the ant bed. So we finna get it. We finna get it. See what I'm doing? I'm going real fast. You can turn it over and do it with your left hand too. Do it with any hand, it don't matter. Look how small it's getting. Come on now. Doing it in the sun now. Make sure we're doing it in the sun. I'm gonna get y'all right. You could do it all different types of ways. You could do it in a circular motion. You could do it with one hand pushing it down. You could do it with your palm. You could do it with your finger sometimes if it's very small. But that circular motion is different. But sometimes the circular motion actually makes it fall out. So I like that palm, like one hand palm action. You know? Look at that. Look how small it's got. I'm telling you. Hey, look. Without further ado, it's gone. Put the rest in my hair. Now, honestly, you don't need that much for your hair, but I do it. I do that. You don't need that much, though. Don't do everything I say. Just do as I say. And you see that? Now you can take the remaining wrist and put it on your arms. And then the remaining, like if you dropped any, just give it back to nature. Just throw it in the yard or whatever, or put it back in your container. Ants eat it. But yeah, so hold on, let me get that little piece of hair out of there. All right, so that's done. So results, y'all see the hair shining, face shining, everything shining, skin, everything. That's this for you. Raw Cosmetics. Y'all go check them out. Y'all seen the video I made on them. Y'all can see it right there. Y'all can screenshot it. Y'all already know the benefits to cocoa butter. But everything all good though. But yeah, we're gonna conclude this video right here. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell too. And get what? Stay tuned. I'm gonna have more videos coming. I have another video coming. I'm gonna edit that tomorrow. I be thinking about stuff, bro. I be processing all day. Hey, website is up. You know, I already got 2 products on there. But they sold out right now. They already sold out that quick. That's how fast it happens on my website with that sea moss. People want that sea moss. Come on now. And it's the way I make it too. I make it different than everybody else. I don't, you know, I'm gonna show y'all a video of me making it. I got an updated video to the sea moss, how to make sea moss gel. And yeah, we're gonna go on from there. So it's your boy Dolo World / Dolo Universe / Dolo University. Guess what? / Galactic Sun Food. Shout out Yaki Awaken. Shout out Dr. Sebi. Shout out Dr. Aris Latham. And also shout out Dr. Bobby Price. And I'm out. Peace. Oh, wait. Peace.